Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karuna Babba. Welcome to my case series Cybersecurity Lecture Notes. In this playlist, I will cover basics of computer networks, how a computer network can be established between two nodes, how these nodes can communicate with each other through layering. With reference to OSI reference model, all the protocols which work in this OSI reference model, how attacks can be done on these protocols, what are the steps to follow in ethical hacking, how a person can become a certified ethical hacker, what are the tools we have for cybersecurity. In Kali Linux, we have more than 600 cybersecurity tools. Like we have Nessus. Nessus is a vulnerability scanner tool. It has a strong database of vulnerabilities that we have already identified, and after identifying vulnerabilities through this Nessus, we can use Metasploit framework of Kali Linux. In Metasploit framework, we can craft our own scripts. We can exploit those scripts to counterattack these vulnerabilities. Then we have Wireshark with us. Wireshark is another tool provided by Kali Linux for network sniffing. In Wireshark, we can check on the data packets which are being received and transmitted through computer network. Then we have Nmap. With the help of Nmap, we can check the open ports and protocols and how we can fix the vulnerabilities within our application or our site or our website or in our information security system. Then we have a utility of SQL maps. Through SQL maps, we can easily counter SQL injection attacks on our websites. Then we have John the Ripper tool also. John the Ripper tool, it gives us the privilege to crack passwords. It uses brute force algorithm at the back end. And with these tools, there are more than 600 tools in Kali Linux. And through these tools, we can easily not only attack, but also find solution for our vulnerabilities which exist in our applications, in our websites, or in our information security systems. I really hope this particular playlist helps you in a greater way. Keep watching. Thank you.